They will cut out.
A lot of bravery and sacrifice has been displayed by frontline healthcare workers who work hand in hand with patients who have been tested positive for COVID-19. The risk of them potentially risking their lives and that of their loved ones back at home is very high. The Mbagathi County Hospital has been at the cutting edge of dealing with mild cases of positive cases of coronavirus. However, for some time they operated without having a proper resting place where the doctors and the nurses could lay their heads in between shifts, or a center where they could be isolated in case they exhibited symptoms of COVID-19. Thankfully, the Mabati rolling mill has come to their rescue and renovated an abandoned building to become more comfortable.
We are very grateful to them, and my appeal is to other well-wishers, other corporates. Please think also of the carers, the health workers. We put a lot of our lives at stake just to make sure that we are containing this situation as it is in the country.
This building, it was lying over there earlier. We have done the re-roofing as well as the renovation part. Normally there are in this building, if I'm not wrong, 5 rooms are there. So 5 bedrooms are there. So at least and 2 SQs. Okay, and 2 servant quarters are also there. So total 7 people can stay and they can be quarantined inside it. The capacity can be increased as per the protocols and the hospital knows is better. And if there is any other building which requires any help, we will do it again.
Personal protective equipment remain to be the greatest weapon that healthcare workers have to use to protect themselves against the novel coronavirus. Even as the government increases their local production, their usage per day increases. The question of whether the supply meets the demand then arises. Mbagathi administration is appreciative that corporates as well as the government have come in to supply them adequately with protective equipment.
We want to thank our national and the county governments, together with donors who have been able to support us. PPEs involves the N95 masks, the full protective gear, the face shields, the safety goggles. So these are in place, they are there for our workers. And we continue to thank you as well a lot of corporates who have come through for us in that specific area.
According to health experts, those prone to contracting the novel coronavirus are those with lowered immunity due to having other complications such as diabetes, blood pressure, as well as those patients undergoing chemotherapy or dialysis, among other diseases. As their immunity is low, specialized care should be given to ensure that they are not infected either while getting treatment at the hospital or at their homes. Due to the virus, various complications can arise to patients seeking dialysis care, which is usually twice a week. The renal unit here at the Mbagathi County Hospital is in full swing. We speak to Dr. Joyce, who gives us the details of the activities that have been taking place right here during the novel COVID-19 pandemic.
We're actually working at full house. All our machines are occupied throughout for all the 6 days of the week that we do dialysis. And we are following all the infection prevention measures. All our patients are getting screened at the gate. They wash their hands, they come into the unit. We follow all the protocols as required to ensure that nobody gets an infection.
Encouraging dialysis patients who are in fear of attending their routinely checkup, Dr. Michelle Musoga assures patients that despite there being risk of contracting the disease, by following the guidelines given by the Ministry of Health, all will be well, and they should therefore ensure they take care of their kidneys by going for dialysis.
We screen at the gate, we screen at the unit. If you don't have a mask, we give you masks, we make sure you wash your hands. We give you good nutrition and you go back home. We do our usual follow-up. We've put a multidisciplinary team, especially in our renal unit. So if you have your kidney issues, but let's say you have a bone issue, we just call for you the specialist. So we don't send you out again to 10 different hospitals. We just call our specialists, they come, they see you from here, and you're able to go.
Grace Angoi, Hope TV News Watch, Nairobi County.